Cracking your knuckles will cause arthritis, is what someone has probably told you after you cracked your knuckles. Well, they have a good reason to care, as it is very loud. You won't actually get arthritis from cracking your knuckles, but you can get a reduced grip strength as you age. While we're on this topic, the cracking sound that your knuckles make is the bursting of the bubble of joint lubrication as your bones get pulled apart. But if you like cracking your knuckles, then go ahead, at the cost of your iron grip.